Learning English through conversation. Conversation between Olivia and James about water cycle.
Hey James, do you remember learning about the water cycle back in school?
Yeah, I do. It's such a fundamental concept in understanding how water moves around our planet. Why do you ask?
I was helping my niece with her homework, and she had questions about it. I realized I could use a refresher myself. Can you go over the basics with me?
Sure, no problem. The water cycle, also known as the hydrological cycle, describes how water circulates through the Earth's atmosphere, surface, and underground. It's a continuous process involving several key steps.
Right. I remember evaporation being one of the first steps. What happens there again?
Evaporation is where water from oceans, lakes, rivers, and other bodies of water turns into water vapor due to the heat from the sun. This vapor rises into the atmosphere.
Got it. And then there's something about clouds forming. Is that condensation?
Exactly. As the water vapor rises, it cools down and condenses into tiny droplets, forming clouds. This process is called condensation.
So, after the clouds form, what happens next? How does the water return to the ground?
The next step is precipitation. When the droplets in the clouds combine and become heavy enough, they fall back to the Earth's surface as rain, snow, sleet, or hail.
Right, precipitation. I remember that. And then the water flows back to where it started, right?
Yes, that's right. After precipitation, the water flows back to bodies of water through processes like runoff and infiltration. Runoff is when water flows over the land surface, and infiltration is when water soaks into the ground, replenishing groundwater supplies.
It's amazing how it all connects. Is there anything else in the cycle we should remember?
Well, another important part is transpiration. That's when plants absorb water from the soil and release it into the atmosphere as water vapor through their leaves. It's similar to evaporation but involves plants. Evaporation is where water from oceans, lakes, rivers, and other bodies of water turns into water vapor due to the heat from the sun. This vapor rises into the atmosphere. Exactly. And the cycle is crucial for distributing water across the planet, supporting all forms of life, and regulating climate patterns.
Thanks for the refresher, James. This will definitely help me explain it better to my niece.
Anytime, Olivia. It's always good to revisit these fundamental concepts. Let me know if you need help with anything else.
Foysal English Academy is a premier English study and research center dedicated to helping learners master the English language with precision and confidence. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced student, Foysal English Academy offers tailored programs designed to enhance your fluency, comprehension, and overall communication skills. Our expert instructors employ innovative teaching methods and research-driven strategies to ensure that every learner progresses effectively. At Foysal English Academy, we believe in empowering our students with the tools they need to succeed in both academic and professional environments. Join us to elevate your English proficiency and achieve your language goals.
Thanks to join our channel. Please subscribe for future notifications.